If you need to flip an image in LibreOffice Draw, whether it's for a presentation, a flyer, a diagram, or just to correct the direction of a picture, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look on the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. This opens LibreOffice Draw, which is the tool you'll use to work with images and shapes. Now you need to bring in the image you want to flip. At the top menu, click Insert, then choose Image. Browse your files, select the picture you want, and click Open. Your image will now appear on the page inside Draw. Once the image is inserted, click it one time to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles around the border of the image. This step is important because the flip option only appears when the image is active. Now right-click directly on the image. A menu will open with several editing options. From that menu, move your cursor over Flip. You'll see two choices, flip horizontally and flip vertically. If you want the image to face the opposite direction from left to right, click Flip horizontally. If you want to turn it upside down, click Flip vertically. The image will instantly flip in the selected direction without needing any extra confirmation. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to flip an image in LibreOffice Draw. This is really useful when you want to adjust the direction of a photo, improve a layout, or fix the orientation of graphics in your document. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple LibreOffice tips, computer tutorials, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.